Hi, good morning, students. How are you doing? Hope that you are having a good start to the morning. Today, we will be going through two exercises on your student book. The two exercises involving add and subtraction of fractions. So the first one is in relationship with fractions of the same denominator. I think it will be quite an easy topic for most of us to go through. Let's start. Just to recall, whenever we need to add or subtract fraction, we must make sure that we have the same denominator before we could do anything about it. Bear in mind, this applies to addition and subtraction of fractions only. So let's say when we have 510 plus 310, since we have the same denominator, we just need to add the numerator. So by looking at the visual form, you actually can see this. Okay, this is 510 of a whole figure, which, out of the 10 units in one whole, and then plus another 3 units out of the 10, which is 310, and the end result is 5 plus 3 is 8 out of 10. So that's how we get 8 out of 10. Like I say, you must make sure that we have the same denominator, then we could do such a thing. Okay, let's see another one. What happens when we have 11 out of 12 minus 5 12? So again, we want to make sure that you have the same denominator. Okay, yep, that's good. 11 12 minus 5 12. So 11 minus 5, we are only left with 6. So it's actually 6 12. Quite easy to understand, isn't it? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, without any diagram to demonstrate, so looking at all these three fractions here, 110, 210, and 410, we want to add these three fractions together. So since they are having same denominator, we could simply add the numerator 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 710. That's the answer. Okay, moving on. What happens if I have subtraction? Again, since both fractions have the same denominator, we just need to subtract the numerator. 5 minus 3 is 26. Okay, I'm not even touching on how to simplify a fraction at the moment. Okay, moving on, next one. So how do we actually add fractions, and if the outcome is an improper fraction, how do we change to a mixed number? Okay, we have touched on this before. Let's try to recall what we did. So again, since these two fractions have the same denominator, we could simply add the numerator. So it's 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 over 8. So in order for us to change this improper fraction into a mixed number, we simply do 11 divided by 8, and we have this. Okay, 11 divided by 8, I have 1 and remainder 3. And the end result is actually 1 whole 3/8. Okay, 1 whole 3/8. So where do you get the 1 whole and the 3/8? So it's simply from here. So 1 whole is from here. Okay, 1 whole is actually from here. And then the 3/8 is 3, which is a remainder out of the divisor 8. That's how I get 1 whole and 3/8. Got it, everyone? Okay. So let's move on. So what about the next one? Okay, when we need to add three similar fractions, or should I say fractions with the same denominator, 6 plus 7 plus 4, which is 17 out of 10. So since we know that 17 out of 10 is actually, you can simply minus 10 from 17, isn't it? Which is 1 whole, 10 out of 10. That's how I get 1 whole and 7/10. Got it, everyone? So please complete page 41 before you move on to the next exercise. Okay, basically today there are 2 videos that you need to watch. Bear that in mind. Okay, see you in a short while. Bye.